Welcome to our video on physiology, the study of body functions. In this video, we will explore the different systems of the human body and how they work together to keep us alive and healthy. The human body is a complex machine that performs countless functions every second of every day. From breathing to digestion, from circulation to movement, every system in our body works together to keep us alive and functioning. Physiology is the study of how these systems work and how they interact with each other to maintain homeostasis, or balance, within the body. In this video, we will explore the different systems of the body, including the nervous system, the cardiovascular system, the respiratory system, the digestive system, and the musculoskeletal system. We will also discuss the importance of each system and how they contribute to our overall health and well-being. So, let's dive in and explore the fascinating world of physiology. The nervous system is one of the most complex and important systems in the human body. It is responsible for controlling and coordinating all of the body's functions, from breathing and digestion to movement and sensation. The nervous system is made up of billions of specialized cells called neurons, which transmit electrical and chemical signals throughout the body. The nervous system is divided into two main parts: the central nervous system, which includes the brain and spinal cord, and the peripheral nervous system, which includes all of the nerves that branch out from the central nervous system and connect to the rest of the body. The nervous system is responsible for our ability to sense and respond to the world around us. For example, when we touch a hot stove, the nervous system sends a signal to the brain, which then sends a signal back to the muscles to move our hand away from the stove. The nervous system is also responsible for our ability to move. When we want to run, the nervous system sends a signal to the muscles telling them to contract and move our legs. Finally, the nervous system is responsible for our ability to think, reason, and feel emotions. The brain is the control center for all of these functions, and it is constantly receiving and processing information from the rest of the body. Even when we are sleeping, the nervous system is hard at work, regulating our breathing, heart rate, and other vital functions. The nervous system is truly an amazing and complex system, and it plays a vital role in keeping us alive and functioning. In the next segment, we will explore the cardiovascular system, which is responsible for pumping blood throughout the body. The cardiovascular system, also known as the circulatory system, is responsible for pumping blood throughout the body. It is made up of the heart, blood vessels, and blood. The heart is a muscular organ that pumps blood throughout the body. It is divided into four chambers: the right atrium, the right ventricle, the left atrium, and the left ventricle. Blood vessels are the tubes that carry blood throughout the body. There are three types of blood vessels: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Blood is a specialized fluid that carries oxygen, nutrients, and waste products throughout the body. It is made up of red blood cells, white blood cells, and plasma. The cardiovascular system is responsible for delivering oxygen and nutrients to the body's tissues and organs. During exercise, the heart beats faster and harder to pump more blood to the muscles. However, problems with the cardiovascular system can lead to serious health issues such as high blood pressure, heart disease, and stroke. It is important to take care of your cardiovascular system by eating a healthy diet, exercising regularly, and getting regular checkups with your doctor. The cardiovascular system is a vital part of the human body, and it plays a crucial role in keeping us alive and healthy. In the next segment, we will explore the respiratory system, which is responsible for breathing and delivering oxygen to the body's tissues. The respiratory system is responsible for breathing and delivering oxygen to the body's tissues. It is made up of the lungs, airways, and respiratory muscles. The lungs are the main organs of the respiratory system. They are responsible for taking in oxygen and expelling carbon dioxide. The airways are the tubes that carry air in and out of the lungs. They include the trachea, bronchi, and bronchioles. The respiratory muscles are the muscles that help us breathe. They include the diaphragm and the intercostal muscles. Problems with the respiratory system can lead to serious health issues such as asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease (COPD), and lung cancer. During exercise, the respiratory system works harder to deliver more oxygen to the body's tissues. This is why we breathe faster and deeper when we exercise. However, exposure to pollutants, such as cigarette smoke and air pollution, can damage the respiratory system and lead to respiratory problems. The respiratory system is a vital part of the human body, and it plays a crucial role in keeping us alive and healthy. In the next segment, we will explore the digestive system, which is responsible for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. The digestive system is responsible for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. It is made up of the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. The digestive process begins in the mouth, where food is chewed and mixed with saliva, which contains enzymes that begin to break down carbohydrates. The food then travels down the esophagus and into the stomach, where it is mixed with stomach acid and enzymes that break down proteins. The partially digested food then moves into the small intestine, where it is further broken down and nutrients are absorbed into the bloodstream. The remaining waste products then move into the large intestine, where water is absorbed and the waste is formed into feces. Feces are then eliminated from the body through the rectum and anus. Problems with the digestive system can lead to serious health issues such as acid reflux, ulcers, and inflammatory bowel disease. It is important to take care of your digestive system by eating a healthy diet, drinking plenty of water, and getting regular exercise. The digestive system is a vital part of the human body, and it plays a crucial role in keeping us alive and healthy. We hope you have enjoyed learning about the different systems of the body and how they work together to maintain homeostasis. Thank you for watching.